Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall game on your ROG Xbox Ally X quickly and easily with a step-by-step guide.
Uninstall games from Xbox app. Step 1. Open the Xbox app on your ROG Ally X. Step 2. Go to the My Library or Installed section. Step 3. Find the game you want to remove. Step 4. Click the three dots next to the game. Step 5. Select Uninstall and confirm to delete the game. Uninstall games from Windows Settings. Step 1. Press the Start button and select Settings. Step 2. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Step 3. Scroll and find a game you want to uninstall. Step 4. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Step 5. Confirm the action to remove it completely.